Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to take a look at the new High Lord of Terra, who will be part of the new Warhammer 40k Sisters of Battle group, also known as the Adeptus Sororitas. This character was revealed last week during Warhammer Fest online, and I have to say it's a really cool model. Taking a look at their May 10th, 2021 breakdown of this unit, which includes some stuff about its data sheet. We've got a nice piece of artwork. I really enjoy this. She's fighting some demons. It looks like corn demons, and she's just tearing through them, and I don't know. I just really like this image. So we scroll down and then we see the model. Model itself is amazing. It is based off of another model we have seen before, very similar to some ones that were displayed, I want to say, roughly about a month ago. There was similar ones for the Sisters of Battle, but hers is just really cool looking. I love the gold and black and kind of having that knightly look from the Imperial Knights kind of vibe to it. Similar arm design and body. But this is Morvenn Vahl, and again, if I'm pronouncing her name wrong, I am very sorry. I try to pronounce these names as well as I can, but sometimes I cannot do it very well. But the first thing we're looking at is just her basic stat lines. She has an 8-inch movement, weapon skill of 2 up, ballistic skill of 2 up, strength of 5, toughness of 5, wounds 8, armor 5, leadership 9 with a 2-up save, which seems very on par with like Space Marines and so on and so forth. So that's really good for her. She is using a Paragon Warsuit. That is what this is called here. So if we scroll down, she gets the Purgator Mirabilis Warsuit. I am again butchering that name, but basically it gives her a 4-up invuln save, so each time this model would lose a wound as a result of a mortal wound, roll 1. It'd be a roll 1d6 on a 4 plus. That wound is not lost. Sorry about that, my headset disconnected. Holy Aegis, which each time an attack is allocated to this model, have the damage characteristic of that attack. Basically, anything she gets hit with, the damage is 50%. So that's pretty cool. I don't know. I guess I was gonna say I don't know how you would end up with a rounding up scenario, but I guess it's possible if somebody had a three attacks, that would actually be 1.5. So you'd have 2. So that makes more sense. Then you have her Lance of Illumination, which is a melee weapon, and that gives her 2 options. She has a Sweeping Blow and a Lunging Strike. Sweeping Blow gives her Strength User, AP -2, damage 1, with an ability each time an attack is made with this weapon profile, make 2 hit rolls instead of 1. Basically doubling her hits, which basically doubles the damage. Lunging Strike is another melee option with +3 to strength, or 3 plus to strength, -3 to AP, damage 3. Each time an attack is made with this weapon profile on an unmodified wound roll of 6, the target suffers 1 mortal wound in addition to normal damage, basically giving you the chance of 4 damage instead of 3. So that's pretty neat there. Then she has her Paragon missile launchers, which are those missile packs to the sides of her. There are 2 options, both with 36-inch range. Both have a type Heavy 2. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know yet in 9th edition, haven't really looked at all the rules yet. Heavy 2d6, if I remember right, is you're guaranteed 2 damage plus whatever you roll on a d6. If I am incorrect, please correct me in the comments below so that I can get this right. I want to make sure my information is correct. And that is done with a strength 4, AP 0, damage of 1. Her other option is just a straight heavy 2 with strength 8, AP minus 2 with a damage d6, which is really nice. And then she has these two effectively abilities. One is an aura that's this Abyss Sanctorum. While a friendly Adeptus Sororitas core unit is within 6 inches of this model, each time a model in that unit makes an attack, reroll a hit roll of 1 and reroll a wound roll of 1. And basically what that means is if you've got 6 models within a unit and they all have one attack and they attack, you can reroll each of their hit rolls if they rolled a 1 and each of their wound rolls if they rolled a 1. Now, if those same units, if they were 6 models in the unit, but they each had 2 attacks, you'd only get to choose one of those hit rolls to reroll and one of those wound rolls to reroll. So out of the 2, you'd get 1. That's at least how I'm interpreting it right now. It's possible that I am incorrect with that, just because I'm not quite sure. The thing that I think is better is the commander of the Adeptus Sororitas. In your command phase, select one friendly core unit or character unit within 6 inches of this model till the start of your next command phase. Each time a model in that unit makes an attack, you can reroll the hit roll and you can reroll the wound roll. Basically, it's the same thing as the Abyss Sanctorum, except for the fact that you get to reroll any hit rolls and reroll any wound rolls, not just rolls of 1, which is really nice. Overall, I think she's going to be really strong. I think the Sisters of Battle are going to be really, really good in this 9th edition. I'm quite interested in this model. I don't run a Sisters of Battle army myself. I have Space Marines along with Necrons, especially with the new 9th edition Necrons. But I might pick up this model anyway, just to have her as a centerpiece for a shelf. Very nice model. I really enjoy the colors, and I just think it's a cool unit to have, even if you don't have this army. And if you do have this army or are a Sisters of Battle player, I think you're going to really want her on your field, and it's going to be quite interesting to see her along with all the new adjustments to the Sisters of Battle going forward. And I'm quite excited to see what happens in 9th edition. I'm also excited to see the new units that are going to be coming out for Adeptus Mechanicus, along with orks and so on and so forth. I'm also excited for Age of Sigmar, the new version. I'm going to call it 3.0 for the moment. And I plan on doing lots more Warhammer 40k and Warhammer Age of Sigmar videos going forward. I want this channel to have many different things that people will enjoy, both on the tabletop, 3D printing, and anything that is generally some sort of fun entertainment for those who just want to see different projects and cool models like these out in the world. So if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. Provide some feedback down below so I can make better videos, so I can make the content that you guys want. Again, I'm going to be doing some 40k videos, Age of Sigmar videos, 3D printing videos, and some other videos along with those things. I do have some painting videos of these miniatures in the very soon future, where you will see Adeptus Titanicus show up, and we're going to do some painting videos with those along with Necrons. But again, remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Nerd Manufactory. Have a good night.